Welcome to Cambridge Campervans. In the showroom today we have got this amazing stone grey Volkswagen T7 campervan, complete with a Commerce Pro package and quite a hefty load of Volkswagen extras on top. Like a lot of our vans, it is fitted with a heated steering wheel and LED exclusive rear lights, but on top of that you have got Towbar prep, so ready to go, and then it has got the Volkswagen Parking Premium Plus, which includes all of these cameras dotted around the camper. You've got extra cameras on the wing mirrors. You've got two front-facing cameras, one on the grille and one up here on the windscreen. And that all gives you a 360-degree view when you're parking the camper. On top of that, the van is a T32 and it is fitted with these amazing 20-inch black wheels and the front styling kit and sidebars to really complete the external look. Inside the camper we have opted to fit the new and very popular Mobi-Frfame bed, which is on a rail system, so you can pull that bed further to the front, and then you've also got your captain seats with a passenger swivel. You've got the standard Vanshades Blinds throughout, you've got a LOC8 table, and you've got our new mocha wood in here. What do you think? We think it's rather nice, very similar to the cashmere. The kitchen's got your 12-volt fridge with freezer box, you've got 240-volt microwave, sink, double gas burner, and then you've got your control panel over here, which is our new touch screen. So with just a simple press, it lights up, you've got a logo, and then you can monitor everything from here. So you've got your lights, you've got your water pump, and you can see how full the tank is. You've got a nice simple system down here for your light switches and USB sockets and 240-volt, and then you've got your diesel heater as well as a wireless phone charger. The Mobi-Frfame bed comes with isofix fittings. Like I say, you can pull it forward and use it however you like, opening up the space in the rear. Opening up the barn doors, you've got your LED light over the bed once that's out. You've got your storage there as well. You've got your gas storage locker, and you've got your jack in a nice, neat Cambridge Campervans bag. So this van is an incredible spec, Commerce Pro, Towbar prep, parking package, and then it's got a solar panel on top as well. So you know what to do, get in touch, inquiries at cambridgecampervans.co.uk or pop us a call and you can snap up the only 170 automatic we have on site at the moment with this incredible package. You've got all those features, you've got your pop-top scenic roof, everything you need for $69,995. Just give us a shout, it's an incredibly well-priced van.